Hello, fashion designers. Today we are going to be drafting this gorgeous top that you can see me wearing right here. This is a corset top with bra cup. It has puff sleeves and also it has ruffles at the bottom. This is such a gorgeous top and I thought I could just share how to make it with the rest of you guys. So today we are going to be drafting the pattern for making this top. Without any further ado, let's get on to pattern drafting, shall we? My name is Q Ed. This is Q's Beyond Fashion. To start off, I already have my front and my back basic patterns. We are going to start by working on the front. The design for our top has a basque at the front, so the shape is triangular like that. So we are going to mark the length of our top from the waistline. We are going to make it 5.5 inches. And then along the side, we are going to measure 1.5 inch from the waistline. And then next, we are going to draw a straight line to join the points. But first, we are going to fold the waistline and close it. And then we're going to draw a straight line like so. Next, we're going to join the waist dart and the shoulder dart with a straight line. And then we're going to mark the bust point. And then from the bust point, we're going to measure down the length to the under bust, which is 4 inches in my case, but I'm going to reduce it by 0.5, so I will make it 3.5 inches. Next, we are going to draw a straight line, which is the under bust line. And then to create the bra cups at the bottom, we are going to measure 0.75 from this dart leg. We measure 0.75 of an inch and we mark. And then we're going to do the same this side. We are going to measure 0.75. Now this depends on your bust size. If your bust size is bigger, you can increase it, but if it's smaller, you can reduce it. And then we're going to cinch our waist. We're going to measure 1/4 of an inch on this side of the dart and also on this other side. So we measure 1/4 of an inch. We do the same this side. We are also going to do the same at the end of the top. Measure 1/4 of an inch. And also this side. And then we're going to redraw the dart here. Make sure that you draw up the dart leg. So we are going to measure this dart leg. And then we're going to take the same measurement here to make sure they are the same length. And then we're going to adjust where necessary and extend the line. And then we're going to redraw this line. And of course, we finish up this one. And then we join the waistline with the under bust line. Next, we use a curve to join this point to the bust point. We do the same this other side. So this is what we are going to remove from our waist dart. Next, we are going to cut out the bottom of our top. Next, we mark the length of our neckline at the front. In my case, it is 5.5 inches. So it falls right on top of the chest line, which is here. From there, we are going to measure in 0.5 of an inch. Next, we are going to measure the side of our bra cup. To find this measurement, we are first going to measure half the nipple to nipple measurement, which is 4 inches in my case. So we are going to increase the side of our bra cup by 1 inch. Now from 4 inches, we add 1 inch and we are going to get 5 inches. And then we are going to add the 0.5 of an inch, which we are going to lose here when we are drawing the bra cup like that. So we are going to add the 0.5 and the answer will be 5.5 inches. And then next we are going to draw the bottom of our bra cup like that and then like that. We are going to place our curved ruler just like this and then we draw the bra cup. And then next we are going to do the same this side. And then we place our curved ruler like this, making sure that we pass by this point here. Next we are going to cut out and open the waist dart. Next, we're going to fold and close the shoulder dart. Since our top is going to have a sleeve, we are going to go up from the chest line by 1 inch. So we are going to measure 1 inch like so. And then from this point, we are going to draw a curve from this point to this point. And then along the side, we are going to reduce the armhole by 0.5 of an inch. So we measure 0.5 inwards and make a mark. And then next we're going to join this point to the armhole. And then next we're going to open up the pattern. And then to finish off the bra cups at the top, we're going to tighten the chest. We're going to measure 0.75 of an inch this side.
We make a mark.
And then we're going to do the same this side. We measure 0.75 of an inch. And then we are going to fold the new dart positions which we have just marked. So we are going to fold here. And then we are going to redraw the top of our bra cup. We use a marker to make the line more visible. And then we are just going to mark the new points for the darts. And then we open up. Next, we're going to finish off the bra cups with a marker. And then again, we do the same on this other side. And then we use a marker to draw the rest of the bra cups. We are going to reduce our waist on the side again by 0.25 of an inch. We do the same at the end of the top. Next, we are going to cut out our pattern. And then we are going to place notches on the bust points. Then we label the center front, the side front, and also this is the center front and the side front. So these are the front patterns. We are done making them. Next, we are going to work on the back pattern. On the back pattern, we are going to start by marking the side. We are going to mark the 1.5 inch on the side, just like we did on the front. And then along the center back, we are going to measure 1 inch going down. And then we are going to join these 2 points with a straight line. And then we're going to measure straight up 1.5 inches up to the armhole, and we're going to make a mark. Next, we're going to draw a curve like so. And then we're going to extend these lines up to the top like so. And then again, we're going to extend the waist dart up to the bust line. Next, we're going to cut out the pattern. And then we are going to label, this is the side back, this is the center back, and then this is how they are going to be joined. Next, we're going to trace the patterns onto a fresh piece of pattern paper, and then we're going to add the seam allowance. These are our patterns. We have copied them and then we've added a seam allowance around each one of them. So we are going to remove the original pieces. And then we're going to use these patterns and cut them out on the fabric. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and also leave us a comment down below. See you again in our next video where we are going to be sewing together the top. Remember, God is our strength. Bye.